Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I hope you'll be fine and doing well and enjoying best condition of health. Friends, I am back again with most demanding and fabulous collections of crochet, handmade, knitted hats, woolen hats for women and girls of 2021. So friends, this is very beautiful, stylish and amazing woolen crochet knitted hats, designs ideas for those ladies who love to wear such types of crochet knitted woolen hats. So friends, this is very beautiful, stylish and trendy collections of crochet knitted hats with beautiful flowers and lace designing. So I suggest you to watch this video till then for more designs and more ideas about crochet knitted handmade woolen hats. So friends, if you want to buy these beautiful and amazing and stunning collections of crochet handmade knitted woolen scarf with hats, so I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy these beautiful collections of crochet scarves with hats. So friends, I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy. So friends, before telling you the best websites from where you can buy these beautiful collections of flower patterns, crochet knitted handmade woolen hats online, please subscribe my channel, and if you have already subscribed my channel, then don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notification of my latest uploading video. In this way, you will never miss my videos and collection of my channel. So friends, I will tell you the best websites from where you can buy. So friends, you can buy these from websites amazon.com, ebay.com and aliexpress.com. Friends, always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you. So don't forget to like my videos, don't forget to share my videos, and also gives your feedback in the comment section. How was the video and how was the designs? So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with new collections of crochet knitted handmade flower pattern designs of woolen hats.